Go in the water and make a face or something.
No.
I don't got no goggles.
I don't got no goggles.
That shit burns. Fuck that ball.
There you go. You gotta face it towards you.
Go.
Say what's up to Angel.
What's up, guys?
Say what's up, bro hams.
We have fun.
We having fun. We out here in the shizzle.
I know.
I just need to stop doing stuff like that.
Samaj,
It's bad.
ugly,
You know,
ugly.
Long term, it's not good. I mean, I don't do it too often,
Look how ugly
but
this little boy is.
I try to protect my skin.
Oh yeah?
Everybody wear sunblock.
We slotted.
Right?
About to go to the
I feel
water.
like a mom already.
Everybody
I'm saying,
Everybody stuffing
man,
their
give me
face.
whatever you got. Give me some cooking oil. I'll put it on. Shit.
Oh my god.
There you see, you know.
Yeah, y'all be cooking y'all skin. I can't do that
I don't
shit.
do it no more. I'm grown, okay? I feel like mom. I'm not a mom yet, but
Are you gonna run to the water and let me throw the football at you or no?
You're not doing it.
Why? You can't catch?
You're not. You gonna go?
Come on, bro.
Back here?
Yeah. You going right into the water. Like you act like you running into a wall.
yeah.
Scaredy cat.
Imagine he
Cuz man, y'all scary. How you scared to catch a ball in the water?
someone might get hit in the face.
No, look, you got mad space. Look, look how mad. You got mad space over there to run and jump.
I am not jumping.
Right over there in the water, bro.
No.
You gotta run and jump for that little ball too.
Pass me that ball.
That's good.
Pass me the football.
Girl, public.
Yeah.
Pass me the football.
They had strawberry and lime. But I felt like grapefruit was the best.
I love grapefruit.
Still
Are you
drop it.
good, bro?
You playing?
Only drink number 2, and this how you acting? I gotta watch you.
I like
I'm about to hit Lil Woody in the head because he can't catch.
Are you going?
We leaving your ass. Go, catch. Just run. Who you waiting on?
Oh, you go. I'm gonna check this real quick.
Yeah, you go, you go. I'm gonna chase you real quick. Go, run, bro. I'm gonna throw it to you. Just run. You're a sore crybaby, you know that? You know that? Ooh, it's cold. This is cold. Took all the way to her. She almost caught it. She almost caught it. She did not catch it, but she's trash. You gonna swim out there and go get it? You gonna swim and go get the ball back? Samaj, look up. She gonna throw it. You suck. That short ass throw. Ooh, I threw it right time and he didn't catch it. Right to him again. Ooh, caught that baby. I caught that baby. Oh, I caught it. I wasn't even looking. I sent you was gonna try to hit me. The devil be working, y'all. Yeah, you suck. She got the racquetball. I should put the glasses down.
Here, I'll take it.
Yeah. Little baddie.
I'll take it.
Why you got it upside down? Oh, I'm finna drop that. I'm finna drop that. I'm finna drop it, boy. We're building men over here. Brit. Look, oh, look at that fumble. That throw is trash. That throw was trash. The throw was garbage, man. Garbage, I tell you, man. It was garbage, I tell you, man. Oh, yo, you can't catch word, but look at the spit. Dunk in the water. Got him on camera. I got him on camera. Look at him crying. Yeah, God damn it. You can't throw? I know he can't, but I can. Oh, I did 2 of them. I'm about to take a swim. Let's see what this water looking like. Huh. People want to be way out here. Hold on, we gotta go. We gotta get deeper. Deeper. Come behind me. Go. It's a sandbar right here. You can stand over here, that's straight. Ready? Look, you wanna do a backflip?
No, I don't know.
Give me your thing. Do a backflip. There you go. Stand up. Stand up and do a backflip.
I'm not standing up.
Why are you scared? Ain't nowhere you gonna go except in the water.
In the water, we right here.
Stand up and do a backflip.
Come on.
He got you.
At least stand up. Come on.
All the viewers gonna see how scared you are.
Oh, Lord.
They gonna see.
Oh.
You gotta do a backflip.
I'm standing up in this water.
No, are you really? No, you're not.
I am.
You can't.
Wait, he cockeyed on himself? He cockeyed on yourself?
You yourself, dude? You dookie on the doo-doo. You ready?
Yeah. No!
Just stand up. Stand up, do a backflip. Stand up, do a backflip.
Come on. Stand up.
I'm trying.
Get up. He's scared.
You scared,
He's
boy.
scared.
You're a scaredy cat. All you gotta do is stand right here on his shoulders and then just lean backwards.
Yeah, this water feels so good.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I thought it was colder, but it's
You know
not.
how long we ain't been on the beach?
You gotta swim to me. Let me see you doggy paddle. Let me see you doggy paddle. GG. GG. Come here. Come on. Come on. Swim. You gotta make it to Pops.
Genesis. Come on, what you doing? Throw it back.
Throw it back in. Throw it back in. GD. Say what's up to the camera.
What's up, guys?
Yo, my dog, let's go. Swim, swim, stop being scared. You gotta float your. You gotta doggy paddle your arms. Doggy paddle your arms. Look, feel the floor. You can feel the floor right here. You feel it? You feel it? You're chilling. Come on. See, come to Pops. Come to Pops.
Dad, they're going to Pops. I'll see you tomorrow.
Can you feel the floor?
I'm coming to my father.
I know, swim. You gotta use your legs. You gotta be doing all the work. Come on, little doggy paddle. Little doggy paddle. I don't know, get a little deeper over here though. I don't know about over here.
Come on, little mamas. Hold on.
Come on, little mamas. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it. There you go. She was wild. She felt the floor, she was cool. She was like, I can feel it.
Oh, yes, go, let's go.
It goes underwater though, right?
Yeah.
I just gotta make sure.
She's like, oh, this shit work, right?
I ain't trying to break shit. Go underwater and make a face or something.
No.
I don't got no goggles.
I don't got no goggles.
That shit burn.
We gotta. Oh shit! Wait, hold on. I was like, fuck it.
Fuck that ball.
Probably look retarded.
Right? It's like 2 seconds.
I was gonna go swimming, but I couldn't. How you zoom in? You can zoom in on here or no? Dang, Dad, come
When
closer.
I edit the video, you can look at the shit.
And the quality looks good.
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's just the pixels and the editing.
That's pretty cool. You be editing on like your phone or a computer?
The computer. But you can do iMovies on your phone though too.
Yeah, I know
It's just not
that.
waterproof.
Yeah, they always say that. Oh, it's like splash proof or something like that, but you can't put it underwater. Yeah, I'll stand up. You look so far away. I'm holding a child. This is how Angel be, y'all. I probably look mad dumb. You probably can't even see me. Yo, what's up? What's up? You spitting knowledge earlier? You spit knowledge? There you go. You gotta face it towards you.
Go.
Say what's up to Angel.
What's up, guys?
Say what's up, bro hams.
We have
Say-
fun.
We having fun. We out here in the old shizzle.
I know.
We gonna miss you, Angel. We gonna miss you. Oh well. Oh, we should go see it.
I want to see the whale.
I'm kind of scared though. What if the whale hurts us? Look, hey, yo, that's Jen. That's Jen Zizzle. Jen Izzle. Finizzle.
I want to see the whale.
Say what's up to the camera.
I want to see the whale.
I don't know. I'm scared. I don't know about all that. Say what's this up. I don't know what I'm talking about that.
Go over there.
Look at Lacey. Can you see her? She all the way down there. Okay. No, I'm saying. Yeah, the water.
To take a picture or
It's the video still. It's recorded still.
Kiana?
What? Y'all, he's slow. The waves are feeling nice. And the water is mad clear too. That's pretty dope.
Whale.
Bro, you wanna go see the whale, but you don't wanna go underwater?
No, I want to go see the whale.
Whale.
I don't know where the whale is.
Whale?
No, somebody said there's a whale over there, so I was like, what, a whale? I was like, we should go see it, but then I changed my mind because it might be big as heck.
I want to go
It's a
see
whale.
the whale.
He's dumb. There's no whale. See, there's no whale.
No, there's a whale over there.
No, there isn't.
There is.
I'm telling you that there's not. Those are just people talking. Dad is so Chuck chilling over there. He always goes mad far and then be surprised that he runs into a manatee. Gianna said, yo, we having fun. She's like, let me see it. And then she says in the camera, yo, we having fun. We out here in the shizzle. No, I said that, but then she's like, yeah, we having fun.
Does she? I don't think so. No, she got goggles.
She got,
She's chilling for real.
Nah, that'll be some shit that she would look like that.
Whale.
There's no way. Yo, Rocco really dipped and was looking like, where the fuck everybody at? Right, ain't nobody told you to go out there. But you left him where?
No, Mom peeped him, and then I got him a bag of chips, and he's just sitting there with Mom and chips.
Well, Mom needs to pay attention because he be quick to run.
Mom said she's watching.
Okay.
He literally just finished eating.
Yeah, he's the one that is harder to watch because he just don't talk. He just runs off.
I want to go see the whale.
Ava, I don't know where it's at, bro.
Maybe it's the whale.
He's actually probably easy. He be quiet with his shit, like he just did.
No, it's scary. Ava's like, I want this, I want that. Do this with me, do that with me. So it's easier. Okay, like I know what she wants to do.
Yeah.
With Rocco, he just cries and he doesn't say like exactly what he wants. So it's kind of harder.
I told Mom what he did when we put on the music, and she said she thinks he might have.
Why is she so far away?
He went like this, and his fucking face turned red, and I was like, that's not normal. I feel like for kids, no?
Yeah, and he also has problems with
We
speech.
left their ass. They all the way over there.
Ava, I don't know where it's
That
at.
was quick.
I want to go over there. I want to go over there where your dad is.
We probably
Right
both
here.
moved.
Oh, okay, that's pretty far.
That's a pretty far.
Shut up.
Oh my god.
Yo, did you see what she posted on her Instagram? Went to the Springs. She had you talking about something. It's a log, bro. No, because that was so funny. I didn't even know she caught that on camera.
It looks so clear on her phone too.
Yeah, it does. I have my own little vlog when we got lost. I was watching it the other day.
Straight. Because I was like, you can see the water hole and everything perfect.
Yeah, it's been a while since we've been down there, so it was pretty cool. Alright, here.
I'm cold. I'm cold. Oh, why would I want your phone? I want them knockers in my face. Come on. La, 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 la.
Here.
Yeah. Oh, I don't want to wear those. I want mine. Play with them little scraggly thingies. Tom, I want the little girly things. I want some things.